Introducing a brand new way to be a superstar at OrganoGold. We call it Star Achiever, our new global recognition program. And here's how you qualify. It's simple. Just have a combined personal qualifying volume, or PQV, of 450 or more in any month, and you earn a Star Achiever pin mailed directly to you that very next month. And remember, that's your personal volume and the volume of all your retail customers. Maintain that 450 PQV the next month, and you are a 2-star achiever. Maintain that 450 PQV for 6 months in a row, and you receive not only the 6-star pin, but also recognition in the OG Experience newsletter and recognition on stage at major OG events. The key is consistency. If you drop below 450 PQV in any month, you start back at 0. So your goal is to keep building and keep adding new retail customers every month. And when you maintain that 450 PQV for 12 months in a row, not only a special 12-star pin, but also a special Star Achiever Excellence Award and recognition on stage at the 2014 International Convention, recognizing global retail excellence, as well as a special mention in the next OG Gold magazine. And the best part? No special forms or enrollment to get started. We keep track of your numbers for you. So what are you waiting for? Go out and sample our delicious OG products with the world. Plus, available now for US and Canada. Utilize the new, innovative, always open Coffee Connoisseur Club website, driving traffic to your site and creating retail customers. Get your friends, family, and neighbors on a convenient auto delivery option and work your business as your 24/7 online site expands your customer base. And we'll see you as our next Star Achiever.